Hello technology practitioner. You can see what I have purchased from the Amazon, that is the signal generator, that means uh, 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliampere signal generator from Uctronics, and I have purchased this from Amazon. And this is, you can see, and we are going to unboxing now. Okay, so let's start. So let's open this box. Uctronics. Okay, so I am going to open this. Okay, okay, yes, I am going to open this box from here. Yes, okay, let's see. Yes, box is open. Now we are going to open it. What is inside it? Yes, yes. Let's open this. Wow, this is exactly. Okay, okay. You can see there is a user manual. Okay, this is the user manual from Uctronics. Then you can see, okay, wow, it is so sexy. Okay, you can see. Okay, then we are going to open another part. Okay, this is the folder. This means you can take like this. You can put and try the box. Okay, let us mini USB B to USB cables, and one of the small screwdriver set is given here. Okay, okay. Here is the charging port. Okay, here is the charging port, and you can see this is on and off button. Here is mentioned here on and off is given, and you can charge here. Okay, and one of the, you can see, this is mode for voltage or current. You can select from here. Okay, they are the 7 segment display. This is the 4 digit, and you can see voltage or current is selected. These are the two indications. Okay, okay, finally I have received this, and I am so happy. Okay, now all the analog signals will be easier to testing for trial. This is used for this will be used for 0 to 10 volt and 4 to 20 milliampere current generation, and we can test any of the analog signals without sensors or any feedback of analog signals voltage or current. Uh, I was expecting 2 to 3 proofs along with this, like multimeter, but the company is provided like 4 crocodile connectors and insulators, screwdriver, and types here. USB mini B charger and USB A charger connector is given, but it's okay. This company is uh, uh, let's remove this connector. This is easily detachable, and connect this. I was expecting that this company will provide the proof, but it is okay, no problem. Yes, okay. Finally, this device is looking so good. Yeah, here is mentioned battery, but I don't know what is why it is mentioned battery. It will be chargeable, or maybe with the battery. Let's, okay. After, maybe I will open this, or I'll go through the user manual. Then I can explain you more about the battery and other things. Okay, Amazon is always providing the text invoice, but in this time There is no any text invoice is given by Uctronics. They may have missed to provide the text invoice or what? Yeah, Uctronics may have forget to provide the text invoice. Text invoice is not much necessary to me right now. Okay, but I have received this one. Okay. And in this QC past is okay, but you can't see here any serial number. Every device should be a serial number, but there is no any serial number. And the Amazon from Uctronics, I have received this one, but there is no any serial number of this device, and there is no any invoice text invoice also along with it. Okay. Only the user manual is given. Okay. Okay. But device is so good, so sexy, but there should be a serial number of this device, and Amazon should provide the text invoice along with this parcel. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.